Have an idea but don't know where to start? Let me show you how to turn any idea into a polished AI video in under 5 minutes using Pictory. Let's start here from the dashboard. Simply describe the video that you want to create. This can be anything from a product demo or training video to a YouTube video. Choose your video goal, platform, length, tone, and any other preferences. The more context you provide, the better your first draft will be. In seconds, Pictory creates a complete script for you. You can quickly review it, make any edits, or ask AI to rewrite sections before moving on. You'll then be brought to the video preferences page. This is where you can tell Pictory exactly how you'd like your videos to be created before generation begins. The best part, you can save these preferences as your default settings so future projects start exactly the way you like them. Once you're happy, click Generate Video. Pictory then automatically matches scenes, adds visuals, creates captions, selects music, and builds your first video draft in just a few minutes. From here you can customize everything, swap visuals, generate AI images, change layouts, update your voiceover, and that's how you can turn any idea into a professional video with AI in just a few minutes using Pictory.